Guys, and welcome back to the episode of Coding with Kabir. Guys, in this video, as I said, we're going to be continuing on strings. How can we use linked list and in strings, and how can we do a lot of cool stuff in the string concept as well. So first things first, let's open Torture Idea and click on New Project, and I'll just change my work directory. So I like to change my work directory. Not every time, but I can have a file, like a separate file for all the work directories. Otherwise, if it gets deleted, it's really hard to get it back. And I just named it Untitled by accident. So it's running the code like it's storing it in the work directory. It's not going fast when you do it on desktop. Like you can see the loading, how much it has been loaded. And now if you click on it, then you're there. Okay, now first things first, we need to create a parameterized linked list, which is gonna storing some strings in it. Like we can say linked list, and I want to say string, and I want to say equals to new linked list brackets semicolon. And what's the error? I'll import this. Okay, and I forgot to give the name. We can say x. I'll say x dot add this only string. So if you are like 23, it's not gonna work. Now let's add something like hello. Now we can actually reverse it. If I say, we can say x dot reverse, sorry, collections dot reverse x. So it's gonna say OLLEH. Like, let's run the code and see what happens. Oh, and I forgot to print x, so we can just say system dot out dot print ln, and I can say x, print x. Mm. So reverse collections. Let me just check that error. Yeah. So keeping in mind, sometimes collections can actually reverse any arrays, like especially string arrays. Okay, now let's discuss about when we say for so example, how can we actually swap a value? For example, we say x dot add. We can say x dot add. Again, we can just say hello. How can we swap this word with another word, which is actually a really simple concept, but it's really important to learn because it might help you in the future. First things first, we need to say sorry, first things first, we need to say x dot set 1 comma hi. Now see, instead of hello, it's going to, oh wait, I forgot to say print. We can say x, and we can print the value of x before setting the value of x to high. I'll just check what's there it's giving me. Yeah, so I understood the error. It was a really short error from my side. And the way to sort it is, first we just say x dot set brackets. I accidentally said 1. So right now we're going to say 0 and we can say hi. And see, now first it's going to print hello and then it's going to print hi. And as you can see in the code, we are saying print ln x and x twice. This is how to change the values. Now moving on to the next concept. How can you get an index of a string? So first one is integer. For example, we can say just a equals x dot index of Java. We can check with that, and then we just need to say system dot out dot println a, and let's run the code. -1. Set 1 to. So it's giving the index as -1, the total index. So this is cool. Let's try with some other word like hello. It will actually give you the index of the letter that you're giving. Like tell me the index of hello. It's since there's only one word. Now if we say let the code send comma, which is not going to work. So this is also cool. It's going to give you the index of that object, or here if we can say space and everything. It's still giving -1 because that's the index of that. Now moving on to the next topic. How to remove a string letter or a string character from the name. So here we can say x dot remove from our hello, x dot remove, we can say 1. So it is going to remove e. I'm saying it's going to remove e because index always starts from 0. Let's just take hello for example. H is going to be 0, and just one second, I'll comment this line. Now it's going to work. Like we set the value to high first of all, so that's why, right? Okay, now let's check if boolean, if the list is actually empty. So we are back to square one and want to say boolean. We can say it as a is equals to x dot is empty. Then we want to have an if condition, and we want to say if a is equals to true, since it's a boolean value, we can say system dot out dot println linked list is empty, else system dot out dot println list is not empty. And let's run this code. List is empty. Linked list is empty, sorry. Now if we say x dot add hello, and since this code is gonna work, let's finish our video with this. The output. Linked list is not empty because it's containing hello. Okay, so this was a short video on how can we use a lot of cool subjects in our uh, string linked list, as we said in the last video. Okay, so yes guys, this was it for today's video. Like the video if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, until next time, it's me, Kabir, logging off. See ya.